So faux I-cord edging gives a really nice finishing to your garments. However, one of the hardest things with this technique is doing increases. It's not difficult, but it can be a little bit tricky. So today I'm going to show you how to do increases with a faux I-cord edging with back post stitches to create these neat corners at the bottom of your Mosaic cardigan and these nice little edges at the v-neck. This technique, I also use it on other garments, and you can use it for many things like blankets or anywhere else you would like a nice finishing edging with lovely corners. In today's sample, I just have one little piece going in the round, but we are going to assume that this is a corner stitch, and I'm going to be working increases on the stitch before it and on the stitch after my corner stitch. That will create a very neat corner like this one. So I first work on the back post of all the stitches until the stitch before my marker. This is my marker, and this post that belongs to these loops at the top is this one right here. So these two loops previous and this post belong to the stitch prior to the one with the marker. I'm going to increase one in that stitch. Insert my hook around the post, pull through, and make a single crochet. Then I'm going to do the same thing through the same post, which means that I need to go below these two loops, around that post, and all the way to the back again. It's an almost invisible increase. So now I'm going to work the marked stitch, and I'm going to put my marker again there so I can find it again when I go back to that spot. And then in the next stitch, I'm going to increase one again. So one back post stitch, and then I'm going to go underneath these loops again, around the post to the back, and all the way around that post to the back again, and make my single crochet. All right, and then I'm just going to continue working on the back post all the way around. And that is how you increase with a back post stitch. So this is something that you will do whenever the pattern calls to increase with back post stitches. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial, and let me know if you have any questions. See you next time!